We're celebrating the 40th anniversary of OSE, and yesterday we had a variety of different events at the Center for High Technology Materials. Today we're over in the Physics, Astronomy, and Interdisciplinary Science building, and we are having, among other things, lab tours and also a student poster session. And we've invited 5 or 6 scientists from the local national labs, including AFRL, Sandia, and LANL, to be the judges in the student poster competition. OSE offers graduate degrees, so we offer a Master of Science degree and also a Ph.D. degree. And within OSE, we have 4 concentrations. We have an optical science concentration, we have a photonics concentration, we have a quantum optics concentration, and we have an imaging science concentration. The students receive a really diverse and truly interdisciplinary education in OSE.
My experience is very good. So from the beginning of my Ph.D. program, I have been working with my PI, Dr. Tanmoy Chakraborty, and I think it is one of the best programs so far I have seen in terms of optical science, since it has dedicated to this optical science department. It has several optics, optoelectronics, photonics dimension in it. It's a good research environment as well.
I came as a PhD student in 1990 to OSE, and very quickly found my way in the group of Jean-Claude Diels, professor at that time and still here today, and learned a lot about different types of laser technologies and laser science that really launched my career when I moved to Colorado as a postdoc. And in fact, I still draw from some of those same ideas and things I learned here at UNM now almost 20, 30 years later. I do work with a tool called a laser frequency comb, which is a type of a mode-locked laser. And early in my career here, or as my grad student career here, I built some of those first lasers here at UNM. So actually, I've been able to take things, lasers and laser tools and designs that I learned here, and apply them to research in completely new ways.
OSE has made it through 40 years, and optics is super relevant to many modern technologies, and we're excited to see what the next 40 years brings.